Good morning and welcome to week 5. This is your professor, Dr. Neil Armstrong. In week 5, we're going to be talking about global partnerships, CSR, accountability, and social economy. So the goals of this week, we're going to definitely try to define culture intelligence and relate it to the practices of corporate social responsibility. And we're going to kind of discuss what social responsibility is, what corporate social responsibility is with partnerships. With that, we're going to look at chapter 13 of our textbook, and we have some good articles on this. We have a discussion board post this week, and there's not a written assignment this week, so it's just a discussion board post, which I look forward to discussing with you guys. So, in that discussion board post, we're going to discuss cultural intelligence in your own terms and compare with the definitions used in chapter 13. Is there some differences? Is there some things that are similar? Those are the things you want to definitely look at on this. The initial post is due Wednesday before midnight. You also need to post to at least 2 people by Friday and stay in discussion before Sunday at midnight. I'm sure there's nothing else that I want to. So another thing you want to definitely look at is start looking ahead to week 6 as well to see if there's anything you can start working on for your written assignment. So you want to definitely look ahead a little bit, but this is going to be a good week that we can definitely work together on things. If you have any questions, need anything from me, please let me know. Thanks, and have a great day.